Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing a swatch of the makeup palette that I received, and also I will be showing you guys how to measure the clothes. If you guys are selling like on Mercari, I will show you guys how to measure the clothes like jeans, shirts, and yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right to the video. So something you will need is measuring tape. This is body measuring tape. I got it on eBay. If you guys are interested in buying it, I'm gonna leave it in the description box. I'm gonna put a link. I bought this measuring tape off of eBay and it has been very helpful. Like since I got it, I've been getting like more sales, and it's really helpful. Like if you guys are selling clothes online, you guys could measure how big the sleeves are. Before, people would ask me how long are the sleeves and I would be lost. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to tell them. I would just tell them, oh, they're kind of small, I don't know, and I wouldn't measure things. So this has helped me, and it gives the customers ideas of how long the sleeve is. Like this one, you could just measure it when it's laying down. And yeah, so the first thing that you guys will need is body measuring tape. Again, if you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description. And yeah, so this is what you're gonna need. This is like the go-to if you guys are selling clothes online, body measuring tape. And I also ordered it because I was shopping online and I needed to know my measurements. So this also helps if you guys are ordering stuff online for yourselves, not just for measuring like stuff that you saw online. So this is the measuring tape. Again, it's in centimeters. I mean, it's in centimeters and inches from one side. So this is the inches, and then the little numbers are the centimeters. Just in case you guys don't know what inches and centimeters are. I know some people have trouble with inches and centimeters. It's okay. But this is just the basic. I want to do like a step by step, and if you guys hear my neighbors, just ignore them. So for the inches for jeans, you would measure the waist. So this would be the waist of these Fashion Nova jeans. So ignore my neighbor. Okay, so you would just measure the waist like this. So the waist would be about 17 inches. So the waist would be from right here to the end of the very top of the jeans. So the waist of these Fashion Nova 3X jeans, it would be 17 inches. So that's how you measure the waist. This is the waist. So it would be about 17 inches. You guys don't have to be that accurate, but you guys could just wing it. I always wing it. So it's about 17 inches, but you guys want to be like accurate. And then the rise of the jean would be right here. So from right here, from the button to the crotch. So then the rise would be 13 inches. And I know you guys can't see it, but so this would be the rise of the jeans. So they're high-waisted, so it would be 13 from the rise. And this is in inches. So the big numbers are the inches, and then the small numbers are the centimeters. So it's like using a big ruler, except it's body measuring tape. So that is how you measure the rise of the jean. And right now I'm gonna show you guys how to measure the inseam. So this is how I measure them. You want to always measure them when they're laying down. So let's see. So the inseam would be right here from the crotch area all the way to the bottom, going down right here to the end. So the way that you would measure the inseam for the jeans is like this. So this is the end of the jean. I know you guys can't see it because it's my camera, but you would grab the measuring tape and you would measure the inseam. So again, the inseam is right here, the crotch area, and going all the way down. So like this, but obviously laying down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch from my camera to my phone so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So whenever you guys are measuring stuff, make sure that it's laying down. So as you guys could see, I'm measuring it in inches. So right here, the crotch to the end of the jean, so it'd be 29 inches from the inseam. And the inseam is always going to be from the crotch area to the bottom of the jean. And that's how you measure the jeans. That's the only measurements that I include when I measure the jeans. But you guys could also measure, ignore the beeping noise. So you guys could always measure the inseam. That is really helpful to people because some people are tall, some people are short. And yeah, and you guys could also measure the thigh like this. So it would be like about 10 inches from the thigh if you think that they will need the thigh measurement. And yeah, so that's for the jean measurement. And I'm gonna do the waist measurement again just to show you guys. So this is the waist measurement. So this is how you would do the waist measurement. So from this end to this end of the jean, from the top of the jean, so this would be the waist. So these Fashion Nova 3X jeans, they would be 17 inches. And it's actually pretty simple, you guys. So that is how you would measure the jeans. And what I do, I just write the measurements down like on a notepad, or I just write them down on my phone. It's pretty simple. It's so much easier when you guys include the measurements, because again, it does help whoever's buying from you. It helps a lot. So sometimes when you have a shirt, people will ask how long are the sleeves, and so you need the measurements for the sleeves. And I'm gonna show you guys how I measure the sleeves and the shirt so I could get accurate measurements. And I am selling this shirt, so if you guys are interested, let me know. But yeah, this is a super cute shirt. Yeah, so I would just grab my measuring tape. And so the sleeves are about 4 inches, as you guys could see. So the sleeves are about 4 inches, and you could include that measurement only, or you guys could include like how wide they are too. So you would just take the measuring tape and measure. So yeah, so this would be about 5 inches wide. So the sleeves would be 4 inches long and then 5 inches wide. And then since girls sometimes they're bigger from their bust, so the way that you would measure the bust is from armpit to another armpit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be about 15 inches from the bust. And since people aren't like in person, you also have to measure the length. So I'm gonna need a tripod, but this will do. So you would just measure from right here of the shirt and going down. So this shirt would be 22 inches long. Yeah, like about 22 inches long. You guys don't have to be super accurate, but it's about that much. And that is all that I include for measuring the shirts. That's all I include. I don't include anything else when I'm measuring the shirts. And this is a super cute top. Like, look at you guys. I got it the other day. And yeah, so sometimes the sleeves on some shirts or some dresses, they will be really, really, really small. So people will ask, hey, how long are the sleeves? Because some people have bigger arms than others. And yeah, so you want to be as accurate as possible, but don't stress yourself out if you guys are measuring with the tape and you guys can't get a measurement. You guys could just put, like, let's just pretend it was 6.5 inches. So usually I just put 6. If it's 6.5, I'll just put 6 because I don't know, that's just what I do. But you wouldn't want to put 7 because that would mean that the shirt was longer. So I just put 6. So the customer will know, like, okay, well, it should fit because my sleeves, 6 inches is good for me. And I just round it, but I would round down instead of up, if you guys get me. But now I'm gonna show you guys the makeup palette that I received from the company that blocked me, well, the small business that blocked me. So I'm not gonna I'm not gonna hide their name because I think people should know about the products that they sell because they're really bad quality, and I'm super still disappointed. So again, ignore the dog. So this is the Latina palette from Mamacita Cosmetics. So it comes with like a little thing on the palette, and then it has like a little mirror right here so you guys could see yourself. So yesterday my sister bought my little sister, she's like 2 years old, she bought her some makeup for like little kids, and it was kind of funny because the makeup that my little sister got for her, it had like a glitter shade, and that glitter literally had more pigment than this palette that I got. So what I expected was a big palette. This palette is not that big. It's like, let me measure it with the body measuring tape. So this palette, it's not even that big. It's 6 inches. What I expected was like a big palette, like 12 inches. So again, the pigments are really bad. They're not that pigmented. Like, they look nice and everything, but they are not that pigmented. So I'm gonna swatch it with my finger. So like this one, oh, you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna swatch this one and you guys could see for yourself that I'm not playing about the glitter. Like, the glitter, it seems like she just got glue and she put glitter in here, like for little kids. And it's not that pigmented. Like, you really have to rub right there for it to get even a little bit of pigment. I'm gonna show you guys up close right now what I mean. So I'm gonna zoom in, or I'm gonna try to show you guys. So these are the pigments, and I'm pretty sure this one would have been my favorite, Cabrona. So that's like an evil ass girl. So this one would have been my favorite. No, I'm just playing, but that's why I picked it, because I liked it. And so let me show you guys. So I'm gonna swatch it with my finger. So let's swatch. Oh god, I got out of focus. So this one, this Ambitions, it's kind of pigmented, but not, it's kind of pigmented, but not really. The ones that I'm really disappointed in is in the glitter ones, like this one. I'm gonna swatch it with another finger, like this finger. Let's see. Hold on. Like, you really have to rub on there to even get the pigment. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna grab it with my other finger. This one, the pink one. So it's not that pigmented like the pink one. Like, it looks different on camera, but these are not that pigmented. Like, you guys could see on my finger that they're not that pigmented. I expected like way better product. I mean, let's try the white one. This white one. Like, it doesn't look like eyeshadow. It just looks like chalk. And the glitter ones, they don't even look like, they don't look like professional glitter. Like, they just looks like glue with glitter. And those are just my thoughts. Like, I'm gonna try this one, the Essential one, with my finger. And that's how it looks. Like, I didn't really like the shades. And then Ambitions again. And then this one, Única. Única, this one's Única. Like, they're not, like, they're a little bit pigmented, but they're not like super pigmented. Like, the ones that I'm wearing right now, they're more pigmented. Like, this one is Bella Cosmetics. Like, you guys could tell the difference. Like, look at the glitter on mine. But yeah, I'm super disappointed in this palette because it wasn't that pigmented. And again, this is from Mamacita Cosmetics. I'm just gonna say the name because I wouldn't want to receive something like this if I bought it. I wouldn't want anybody to even shop from there because they're really bad quality. And let's try this one, Guerrero. It's called Guerrero. Like, the pigments are not that pigmented. Like, they don't feel like eyeshadow. Like, they feel like glue. Like, this one, it feels like glue. It doesn't feel like really a lot of glitter. So these are the pigments. Which one haven't I tried? Oh, this one. I think it's Fuerte. Fuerte is this one. And they kind of smear. Like, if you guys were to go out, like, I feel like they wouldn't last. I feel like they would, like, run. But yeah, I'm not really impressed with this palette. What do you guys think? Like, this is not what I expected at all. And it looks different on camera. Like, in person, this looks like a little kid palette, to be honest with you guys. Like, if you guys feel it, it looks like a little, it feels like a little kid palette. Like, something for a little 5-year-old. It doesn't feel, like, sturdy. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope it does help some of you guys if you guys are selling on Mercari. If you guys have any more questions about Mercari, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys want me to do any type of other video, just let me know in the comments. And again, make sure that you did give this video a thumbs up, and watch all my other videos and give them a thumbs up also. And again, make sure to be subscribed to my channel so you guys could be notified whenever I upload a new video. You guys wouldn't want to miss it because I've been doing like more videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.